Hi folks, I'm Jeff and you're watching Jeff's Computer Bits. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of this Bauhn smartwatch. So I picked this up for approximately $50 Australian in April 2024. On front of the box we've got some features. It says 1.3 inch color touch screen, sleep data recording, message and call notifications, heart rate monitoring, Bluetooth wireless technology, music playback control, IP68 water resistant, multi-sports tracking, and it comes with an interchangeable chain strap. On the back of the box we've got a contents list, one smartwatch, one interchangeable strap, one charging cable, one user guide, one warranty certificate, and one general safety warning. And it comes with 1 year warranty. So let's open her up. So, there you have it. That is the watch, and that is the band. So I'll take that out. It's got a sticker on it, and I guess that's to indicate the quality of the screen. So here is the interchangeable strap. I'm not too sure about the quality of it. It seems a little bit thin. So that's the interchangeable strap there. And then you've got the charging cable, which is, this is USB to some sort of magnetic clip which clips onto the back of the watch. So USB to 2 pins there, and that will, I guess, click onto that bit there. There you go, it's magnetic, it clicks. So let's see how it fits. Here we go. So there you go. That's the watch there. So I'll peel that sticker off, and now I will charge it. So I need a USB port. So here we have the Bauhn smartwatch model ADMSW-0424-R. So it takes about 2 hours to charge, and when you first turn it on, you are to be taken to the language screen, and here you can see all the language options it's got. It's got dozens of language options, so if you want to give this to a friend from overseas, then they'll be able to use it in their own language. So we'll select English. And so the watch requires an app. It's called FitCloud Pro, and it's available on Android and iOS. The app has 39,000 reviews for a 3.6 star rating and 5 million plus downloads. The watch it will not do anything without the app installed on your phone. It won't even tell you the time. All it will show you is a QR code to the App Store for Apple or Android OS. If you don't trust to have unknown Chinese apps on your phone, then this isn't the watch for you. When charging the watch, it doesn't tell you when it is fully charged, which is a bit disappointing, and the battery lasts for approximately 2 to 4 days. The screen is a nice and bright, high quality LCD, easy on the eyes. Touchscreen is very responsive. And it has a nice subtle blue hue reflection around the border of the watch face. I don't know if you'll be able to see that there. The wristband, unfortunately, is cheap rubber. Doesn't feel that it will last very long or for extreme punishment. The wristband latch is similarly cheap and flimsy. The magnetic charging cable connector is robust, as you'll see here. And then we have the music app. I found this to be disappointing because it doesn't show track name or seeking options. All it shows is the previous and next track buttons, pause and volume up and down. The telemetry, such as steps, calories and heart rate, are inaccurate and inconsistent, bordering on useless. And also the weather app is useless. For example, today is a 25 sunny day, and that's the weather it gives me, 20 degrees and cloudy. The battery level is displayed in units of 10. As you can see here, it's at 50 at this time. But you can get the proper battery percentage in the system settings. And raising your hand to wake up the watch is slow and inconsistent. As you can see there, it's slow and inconsistent. And so, the feature set leaves something to be desired in this watch. As for the value for money proposition, well, it's not that smart as far as smartwatches go. For $50 it represents a curious toy that will keep your kids entertained for a few hours. It has no useful features that will keep you using it long term. You'd be better off stumping up a few $100s to get a proper smartwatch. So I give this product 5 stars out of 10. Thank you.